Hi there, my name's Chelsea and I'm from Eastern Regional Libraries. Today I'm going to show you how to use Mango Languages, an online resource that you can use to learn or practice a new language anywhere at any time. To access Mango Languages, we're going to go to yourlibrary.com.au, tap the search website button and type Mango in the search bar. This will take us to a page that allows us to click Visit Now next to Mango Languages. When this page loads, you'll see options to log in if you've used Mango before, or click Sign Up if you're new. This will take you to a place where you can put your email address and create a password for your Mango profile. Once you've made an account, you can choose from over 70 languages that are available on Mango. You can use the search bar to find a particular language or scroll down to see popular languages. Today I'm going to start learning Japanese. When you choose a language, you will be shown the content that is available on Mango. This is split up into main units, which cover different topics, and then further divided into chapters and then lessons. The content begins at an introductory level and becomes more advanced as you progress through the lessons and the chapters. If you'd like to change the language you're learning, you can tap the icon in the top left corner. This will allow you to freely switch between languages without losing any of your progress. When you're ready to start a lesson, you can choose Resume or Start Learning. This will allow you to continue your progress. Alternatively, you can view any chapter you would like by tapping the circles in the middle of the page. When you use Mango Languages, it's important to turn your volume up. This is because there are recordings allowing you to hear the way a native speaker would say each phrase or word. You can also tap on each word to hear it spoken again, as I'll show you now.
Tiens, bonjour, ça, va.
The buttons in the middle of the screen will allow you to replay a sentence or a lesson. The orange microphone button will allow you to record your voice and compare it to the pronunciation of a native speaker. When you feel like you've had enough practice at a particular lesson, press the next button to see the next lesson available. You can also click the X button in the top left-hand corner to return to the main page. As you can see, your progress is recorded, so you can always come back later and keep practicing that language that you'd like to learn. Now let's talk about using the Mango Languages app. You can download it free on your App Store, and the icon looks like the letter M. The app is very similar to the website that we were having a look at just before. The main benefit is that you can download lessons for offline use. This means you don't need an internet connection to be able to keep learning, which is great if you happen to be overseas and you're wanting to practice your language. To download lessons, you can choose the Download All option or the individual downward-facing arrows. Please note that you'll need an internet connection while you are downloading these lessons. Once the lessons have finished downloading, they will have a green tick appear above their circle. This means that you can use them offline. Once you've finished with the lessons, you might like to delete them off your device to free up storage space. You can do this by clicking the bin icon. We hope you've enjoyed learning how to use Mango Languages, and as always, if you have any questions, please contact us at yourlibrary.com.au or on 1300 737 277.